So it's that time of the week again, Time Trial Tuesday. So we're in Time Attack. We're getting towards the end of the season now. We've not got many left. We've got 3 circuits left to do. We've got Leadenden today. So it looks like we need to beat a 33.8. John Tisbury from our Discord, he's done a 35.8. So I guess getting into the 34s would be good. If I can get into the 34s, get into sort of, if you look, I can sort of generally do 97, 98% of the best time. So if I can get into the 34s, I think we'll be happy. So let's have a go. Okay, just before we get going, someone asked how do I have the comparison lap showing with the ghost car for the fastest lap. So if I just hide myself for a moment, you can see top right hand corner up here. To get this up, you hit the tab key. Let me just do that. So you can do comparison sector, all-time best lap, all-time optimal lap. So I just go through there until I get to comparison lap, and it's showing me the lap it's going to compare, which is a 33.8. And I think in Time Attack you can choose who you want to compare against, and then I just click here and it shows the reference car, and that's where we get the ghost. So if I just bring myself back, here we go. So we'll have the ghost car on. We see how we get on. For our first lap, I just need to set my seating position. Because I'm a bit high up. There we go. Oh, and I need to... I've not done this right. I need to sort out my driving as well. I've been using LMU just recently, and it seems to have stuck on the LMU setting. Yeah. Well, it's saying iRacing 2. This is my setting. That's better. It felt like, because it's reversed. The feedback is reversed on LMU compared to iRacing, so you have to have 2 different settings, otherwise the wheel just whips out of your hand. Anyway, we're ready. Let's get going. Okay, so where are we starting then? We're starting about halfway around the lap by the looks of it. Just need to remember where everything goes. Not been on here for a few weeks. Okay, on the downhill section. I think the time will be this downhill section, this corner coming onto the straight. Whether that's first or second, I don't know.
Green, green.
Because you lose a lot of time going up this hill. So we'll see, won't we? We'll see the reference car in a moment suddenly appear. There it is. Okay, so we're slow through there. Yeah, it's going to take a bit of getting used to the track. It's a while since I've been on it. In the MX-5, I think. And then the hardest corner on the lap for me is one where you can't see the apex. I really struggle with it. We'll see how we get on. These are okay. Let's see how far back we are though. Look at that. These are okay. So it's this left-hander coming up. So you can't see the apex. Sort of helpful seeing when he turns in, actually. Car feels a bit slippy at the moment. Oh, I can see, nearly 3 seconds off. Blimey, this is going to take a bit of work, I think. Yeah, I think first. It's better. 3 seconds off, though. We've got a fair bit to do here. Blimey.
36.877.
Okay, we're a bit closer this time. Even so. They're definitely quicker than us, aren't they? Oh, off track. Yep. Didn't quite get that right. Yeah, losing a bit of time there as well. Oh, if it hadn't for the off track, we'd have done a lot better, wouldn't we? Immediately taken like a second off. Oh, got that wrong, and that's going to cost us all the way up the hill now. Blimey. Yeah. So they're going to immediately be in front of us. I wonder if I should stay in second for that one, maybe. Yes, I think so. Okay, right. Let's reset. Now I know where I'm going. I'll do a warm-up lap, and then we'll start again. Ah. Yeah, I'll reset. Okay, well, this is the first lap. I haven't done a warm-up lap, but this is going to be probably my best lap for this session so far. Then we'll see if we can go quicker after that. Yeah, this is our best lap so far.
35.235.
Yeah, we're sort of living with them through that section, more or less. Lost a bit of time there. Lost a bit of time there as well. Can't quite live with them, can we? Got a better exit up the hill though. It's not too bad. Yeah, can't quite live with them there. Saying we had an off track. I didn't feel the off track, but we must have had one. There. Okay, another off track. Okay, we'll finish this lap. And try one more. Trying to get the hang of it now. See if we can make this next one our best lap. Put the fan on, because it's a hot day in the UK today. Okay, a bit further back, aren't we, this time? Hey, okay. We'll reset, and I'll try it without the comparison car, as Arthur suggested, because maybe that'll make it easier. We'll try. Okay, I've done a warm-up lap this time, so let's see if this is going to be our best lap.
37.881.
Not so good through that. Bit of a slide through there as well. Yeah, struggling a bit here. Yeah, made a mess of that section. Try one more then. So we did get into the 34s, but it was an off track, wasn't it? So I should be able to get down there.
35.322.
It's this section, isn't it? I'm not going very well. That's a bit better that time. Yeah, a bit slow through that. So a bit quicker. But not quick enough, I don't think.
.111.
Yeah, just not quite got it. Oh, off track. Well, that would have been better. Last try then we'll stop. No, not getting that bit right, are we? Yeah, I think we've lost it. I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to go any quicker than that. So we'll see. We're a fair way off, aren't we? Blimey. Okay, well, let's have a look. Oh, yeah, fair way off. Goodness, 17th. I did get into the 34s, but we did have an off track, so I guess it was an off track for a reason. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to go any quicker than that. So we'll leave it there. We've got Navarra next week, the long one, and then we finish off at Charlotte. So not long to go. This finishes on the... When does it finish? Finishes on the 9th of June. So we've got 2 more weeks after this one. And that's it. So give it a go. Put your times down, see if you can beat that. I'm sure you'll be able to beat that. Struggled a little bit there. It's a tough track and not my best. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.